Hi, my name is Gabby, and this is my parenting dialogue slide. I picked scenario 2, and I'm gonna voice the mom and the daughter. So in scenario 2, your 4-year-old daughter is crying about her clothes for the preschool Valentine's Day party. She wants to wear her pants with the hearts on them, but she also wants to wear her favorite skirt over them, which makes it hard to see the hearts. You tell her that she can take off the skirt so she can see the hearts, but she screams she wants to wear the skirt. You tell her that's fine, wear the skirt, but she screams that she can't see the hearts. While she is throwing a tantrum, she shouts this at you. I do not like you, nobody likes you, not even your own mother likes you. And the mother replied in my scenario, I understand that you're feeling frustrated. It's hard when you want something so bad and feel like you can't have it. But when you start saying things like that, you're only hurting my feelings. That won't fix your problem. The daughter says, I want to see the hearts because that is what Valentine's Day is about, and I want to wear the skirt so I could be a princess too. Mother says, I understand, but when you yell, that doesn't change anything. If you look in the mirror here, you can see them both. Daughter, wow, this is perfect. Thanks, Mom. Mother, it's not perfect. Those words you said hurt my heart. Next time, if you ask for help, we can find a solution without feelings getting hurt. In this family, we don't yell and hurt. We don't yell hurtful things at each other. The daughter says, I'm sorry. So let's talk about what happened. The problem was that the daughter couldn't express her feelings and lashed out to try and hurt her mother's feelings. The impact was that the mother had tried to help, but the daughter was too frustrated, so she began to yell hurtful things. An alternative could have been when the daughter was crying and getting frustrated, the mother could have asked her to explain what she was feeling or ask why she was acting the way she was. The consequences of the daughter's action would be that the mother explains the pain she inflicted and why that was disappointing, because we all know it's more upsetting to hear that you disappointed your parents than to find out they're mad at you, and especially hard if you find out that you hurt your mom's feelings. The future expectations are that they can talk together to figure out the way to fix the situation without hurting anyone's feelings. I picked this situation specifically because it was very similar to one that I had um, experienced while being a nanny. I didn't have the child yell things like that, but she had gotten frustrated while choosing her outfit and started crying. And so I tried to write a scenario in words that I would have heard the child that I was working with say. So that's the way I worded it. I hope that this is a great learning experience for everyone. Thank you. Goodbye.